let's jump right into this. Hello everybody, today we got a little unboxing for y'all. So, what do we got? Let's rip it out. Bam! We got the woman's dunk high. We know you guys like those dunks. You guys prefer the lows, but oh well. In this neutral gray colorway. Very nice. White gray fog sail. Copped a 9.5, which is a size 8 men's. Surprisingly, it's like the same size as like my 9.5 Air Force, which is pretty freaking weird. So like, this shit fits huge. I don't know why. Two sizes different. I'm a size 10 and it still fits on my foot. It's kind of crazy. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. And yeah, I think this is going to be a cop. This is going to be a keep. I really like these shoes and they fit. Might make my feet sore, but you know, it's worth the squeeze. I always squeeze for the drip, for the swagger, for the collection. Retail Canadian $150. They kind of broke the box. Oh well, kind of sucks. You like to have a nice quality box for a new shoe. Oh well. Open it. It's the classic sportswear box you get them in. Open it up. Some nice just white paper, and bam! They are crisp and clean and beautiful. They even come with an extra pair of that neutral gray fog colorway. And then you can see the sail gum. It's so beautiful. I think the leather throughout might even be like slightly sail, or it's just the gum. And you got the neutral gray bottom, that neutral gray swoosh, and the mesh. And you got an even light gray embroidered Nike check logo on the tongue there. So yeah, it's your classic high. I'll pull out the left so it doesn't have the laces dangling around in front of me, so I can focus. You just got these regular thin woman's dunk laces on here. The woman's laces I think are a bit more thin compared to the men's, because I just got a pair of the highs, the 1985s. Go check that out. I will put that in the end of the video. You can click the link to that. Go check out those. Those are crazy sick highs. 1985, the orange and blue bleach. They're so sick. Yeah, you can see they're pretty like they don't look too small. They're pretty regular size. Got that leather throughout. Good quality. Got that mesh thin tongue. Maybe it's like the thin tongue also for women's that helps. So like, because the top of my foot's really fat, but my foot's short. So like maybe it's like the more like minimal, more thin aspect, whereas like men's shoes are more bulky. Maybe that's what makes me able to fit into these, and I haven't laced them up fully, as you can see. So maybe when I lace them up, these will crush my ankles or something. Yeah. Pretty much all the details. You can see it's got like the slight like separation. It's got that nice, comfortable sole. The separations between the different sections on the sole. You got this nice little star pattern on the toe. Normal, regular sole with the little bit of waffled shredding on the back. Nike logo in the middle. Beautiful. Like I love this gray and white. It goes really nice and it'll look sick with some outfits. Like I think it'll look sick with the outfit I have on right now. You just got a white Nike logo inside with that gray mesh, like I was saying, gray sole, size 9.5 women's. Yeah, I'll try them on now for you, so you can see what the sizing is all about. And you can stay till the end to see the preview if you want to see the actual details of these shoes. So you can see it is like a tight squeeze. Okay, yeah. Trying this on again, like not in the store, I'm like really feeling how tight these are. Like my toes are right at the end, like it's crushing my foot, but I can pull it off. That's the cool thing about it. It's even like it fits really similar to my 1985, like the size 10 that I got literally fit the exact same in the size 8. Like that's crazy. Like a 2 size difference is a bit insane, but yeah, I'll show you guys, and you can comment below whether you think I should rock these or not. Like, is it a cop or not? Like, let me know in the comments below what you guys think, if I should keep these shoes or not. Because I love them, but they're tight. I think I even went and they had a 10 last time, which would have been an 8.5. Which would have been, like, just better. Like, it would have been perfect. Or they even had a 10.5, maybe, which would have been, like, a 9. Damn, I wish I copped the big size last time I went, but I just wasn't thinking. I didn't even try them on, but this time I was like, you know what? I'll just try them on for fun. And then I was like, whoa, they fit and it's sick. Because I had nothing else, so that's why. I was just like looking at the women's stuff. They had nothing, didn't really have anything for men's. They did have one other item, which is a little secret. You'll be seeing a video soon for that. Okay. Sorry for the time. Took me a little bit longer to lace these bad boys up. But now we got them laced up. And I want to cut the lace pack off so you guys can actually see me walk around in them.